In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a coming soon website just like this one in a matter of minutes for free with Wix. If you want to find out how you can create a coming soon website that looks like this or maybe something slightly else, keep watching the video. The website builder that we're going to use to do this is called Wix. So you can go to the Wix website, you can then click on Get Started right there, or if you already have an account, you can click on Sign In. I already have an account because I've been using Wix for over a year now, but if you're new, you can simply sign up by clicking right there on Sign Up and go ahead and create your account. Like I said, I already have an account, so I'm going to click on Login. Now what I'm going to do next is simply show you these steps that you need to take in order to set up a coming soon website, and you can do this as a complete beginner. It's actually not that hard or difficult. Alright, let me click on this right there. So this is what Wix looks like. So once you've signed up for an account, you will end up on this page, which is the My Sites page. Now you can see that I've got a lot of websites that I've made over the last 12 months or so for tutorial videos like this, but for you it won't show any websites. So what you need to do in order to get started is click right there on Create New Site. This will then send you over to the free website builder from Wix. I recommend clicking on Other because you don't need any of this, to be honest. So click on Other, and then this is actually a very important decision to make. So you can let the Wix ADI create a website for you, or you can create a website with the Wix website editor, and this is the one that you want to choose because they have a lot of templates, and that's exactly what we're going to use to set up our coming soon page. Once you do so, right away you'll see this coming soon landing page. It's on number 1 out of all of these templates, but this is not the only one that's available. So what I recommend doing is simply clicking right there, search all templates, and then you simply type in coming soon. Once you do so, they will go to the coming soon pages. You can also go with all landing pages if you want to create some kind of different landing page, but if you do coming soon, you'll find the coming soon templates. Now as of right now, they've got 2 pages. Let's see, yeah, they've got 2 pages with all of these different templates that you can use. So what I recommend doing is simply scrolling through all of them, see which one you like the most, and then you can choose one that you would like to go with, and you can then pretty much change and customize all of the content with your content. So what I'm going to do now is simply choose one of these templates, and I'm going to show you how you can customize it. So I'm going to go with this one right there. And by the way guys, if you're not sure which one you would like to go with, you can click on View, click View Full Demo, and you can then see what it actually looks like. So you can see the entire template. So this is the template that I clicked on. Let's see if that actually done loading. Nope, it's not. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty cool to me. Now let's say that this is the one you would like to go with. You click on Edit this site in the top right corner. Now once you do so, it will send you into the Wix website editor. So this might take a while to load. If you're not happy with the actual template, you can go back right here, click on that cross, and simply choose another one. But I'll get back to you guys once the Wix website editor is done loading. Alright, here we are in the Wix website builder. So this is the place where you're going to customize the content and fill it with your own images and your own information so that the coming soon website actually fits for your specific website or company or brand, or whatever it is that you're building. So basically how this works is that it's drag and drop. So you simply click on it and you can then change it or add something right there. So on the left side, you can see the menu, and this is the template itself. So this is the template that we just chose. What you can do to change it is simply click on a section and you can then change it. So for example, if I want to add my own background image, I click right there, I click Manage Media, and I can then upload pictures from my PC, or I can also just go with free stock footage from Wix itself or other websites and then use that as the background image. As you can see right there, this is the current background image, then this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. If you would like to go with your own one, click Add Media, click Image. You can also go with video and text, which is cool. And then right there, if you want to upload it from your PC, you click Upload Media right there, click Upload from PC, and then choose an image from your PC. What you can also do is go to Shutterstock, Media from Wix, or even Unsplash, and you can then search for a certain thing, and they will then start showing you pictures that you can use for free. Let's say that I want to search for business. I simply type in business right there, and I can then find business images. So I kind of like that skyline right there. If I then select it, click add to page, it will then upload as the background image, which is pretty cool. So it's number 5, so I click right there. You can then also change the title, the description, and you can add a link, which is pretty cool. But I just changed the background image. So as of right now, there are 5 of them. I'm pretty sure that they will start like changing once someone is actually on the website. We can check that by clicking on preview. So you can also preview your website by clicking on preview in the top right corner, and you'll then see what your website looks like. Yep. So as you guys can see right there, the background images actually change every about 2 seconds right now. You can also change that, I'm sure, and there it is. There's the background that I just selected, which is pretty cool. Click on back to editor to go back, but that's just how you can simply check if you actually did it the right way. So basically guys, how you can start building your website is that you click on a text or on the background and you simply click edit, and you can then edit the website. So you can change the text, you can change the font, you can change the size, the color, literally everything. So let's say that I want to change the size. You simply do this and you can see that it actually changes, right? There we go. So if I want to put how to digital on here, I simply type in how to digital and it will then show up. Now once you're done changing all of the info on your template and you've changed all the images, you're pretty much done. What you can then do is click publish in the top right corner, and this is where it gets interesting. So if you then click view site, you can see what your website currently looks like, but you also see that this is the domain name. So it's garybroin.wixsite/mysite14. So you can change that part right there. But you can also connect a branded domain. So let's say you want www.yourwebsite or your brand name.com/coming soon page. That looks way more professional. However, for that, you need to pay. So if you want to do that, you can click on upgrade now and it will send you into this page where you can buy a premium plan on Wix. It's not necessary. You can go with the free version. As you can see right there, this coming soon page is now live. I know I changed the text to how to digital, but it used to say coming soon. This one is now live at this specific domain. But if you want to like do www.yourcompanyname.com/coming soon, then you need to upgrade to a premium plan. I do want you to know that there are 14-day money-back guarantees on all of these plans. So you can always get your money back if it doesn't work the way you wanted it to. But that's pretty much how you can create a coming soon page with Wix. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.